Hi friends! I have had a lot of you ask, how do you start meditating? So today I will be taking you through a quick 10-minute meditation that will help you start to cultivate this skill of mindfulness. You don't need any experience to do this, and if you are an experienced meditator, it is a nice way to come back to the basics of the practice. So find yourself a comfortable seat, or you can lie down. And let's jump. The biggest myth that I hear about meditation is that you have to be in a certain position. You don't. So if sitting cross-legged hurts your knees, don't sit cross-legged, okay? Find yourself a position where you feel comfortable, supported, awake, and aware, right? So go ahead and find that now. Find the little sweet spot for your hips to settle down, your feet. Let your shoulders soften away from the ears. As you sit, start to notice the parts of your body that are making contact with the support beneath you. Allow your awareness to drift into the feet and the legs. Just simply noticing any sensation that might be coming up. Could be obvious or subtle. Notice where the hips make contact with your chair or the floor. Feel the spine supported. The shoulders softening away from the ears. And the face soft. Just kind of take an inventory of how you're feeling in the physical body here. Are there parts of your body that are asking for attention? Maybe an achiness, painful sensation, discomfort. And can you just land your awareness on that space and just take a couple deep breaths, not needing to change that sensation at all, just sitting with it. Watching it with a curious eye. Maybe there's another part of your body that's asking for your attention, so you shift your attention there. Sitting with that sensation for a few breaths. Allowing it to exist. Just kind of continuing this practice of hopping from sensation to sensation, breathing into any discomfort you might be feeling. And if you're not feeling a particular place of discomfort, you could choose a part of your body that you haven't really paid much attention to. Like maybe it's the back of your left ear, or the space between your middle toes. And the intention is to simply be with this space. Without judgment, without the need to change it. Simply allowing it to exist. In this practice, we learn to be with discomfort as it arises. Really to be with and watch anything that comes up. Discomfort often is most noticeable. And the practice isn't in trying to make your mind or your body a certain way. It's not in trying to eliminate distractions. It's in this state of curious attention, this welcoming of what is here, what is coming in. If it's physical pain, okay, how can I be with that? How can I sit with that and watch it with compassion rather than trying to avoid or change or push it away? Keep noticing your body, noticing sensations that might be here. And when the mind gets pulled away from the body, notice that in the same way you're watching this sensation. Like, okay, my mind just wandered over here. And we're just gonna reverse directions and come back to the body. Not gonna make a big hullabaloo over it. Just gonna redirect. And we call meditation a practice because there is no perfection. It's always going to be something to work on. And the goal isn't to be quote unquote super good at meditating or super focused in your meditation. The goal is, okay, if I can practice sitting with discomfort, not letting it derail my emotional state or derail my entire day when I'm here in meditation, then the goal of meditation is to translate that off the mat. Right? So when discomfort comes up in life, can you sit with it? Can you be with it? Can you stay curious and compassionate? Continuing to watch what's happening in the body here. Notice what's changed from when you first sat down to practice. When you're ready, take a full deep breath in. Let it go out the mouth. And before you transition out of your practice, take note of how you feel. Maybe you notice a change in your body, your mind, or the emotional state of your heart. Know that you carry that gift with you through the rest of your day. Whenever you feel ready, you can open your eyes. Thanks so much for practicing with me. If you like these types of meditations, let me know in the comments and subscribe if you want to see more. Bye.